Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Yes, your PAN will become inoperational if you don't link the same with your Aadhaar card before 30th of June 2023. I'm talking about the Aadhaar PAN linking concept, and what this concept says is that there's a need for you to link both Aadhaar and PAN before this particular date by making a payment of 1000 rupees, and if you don't, you'll end up having your PAN become invalid or inoperational. Aadhaar card, as all of us know, is a unique 12-digit number on a particular card that is given to every citizen of the country. Even if you are a non-resident permanently residing abroad, you can still apply for an Aadhaar card, but the only criteria here is that in the last 12 months of the application for Aadhaar, you must be in India for more than 182 days. Then you get this Aadhaar number and this Aadhaar card. But the real question here is that, okay, I have not linked my PAN and Aadhaar. Now, how do I proceed to link the same? The process is quite simplified, straightforward because everything is now online. As a first step, you need to go to the income tax e-filing portal, which is basically a website that is normally used to file your income tax returns. Now, you may not have a login ID because you may never have filed your returns in the past. Nonetheless, you go to the e-filing portal and on the left hand side, you'll find an option called Link Aadhaar Status. You click on that, you enter your 10-digit PAN and your 12-digit Aadhaar number, and then click on Proceed. Now, there could be two situations. One, if your Aadhaar and PAN is linked, you'll get a successful pop-up message saying that both are linked. Great, you're good to go. If it is not linked, you'll again get a pop-up message having a link diverting you to the NSDL portal, which is basically the payment portal. And then you can create a challan and make the payment of rupees 1000. Come back to the e-filing portal to the option Link Aadhaar. Enter your Aadhaar number PAN once more. They'll verify your payment and then you will submit the request. Wait for around 4 to 5 business days. Come back again, enter your PAN and Aadhaar, and it will be successfully linked. One other question that normally comes up is that, look, I am a non-resident. I have spent a substantial amount of my life outside India and I don't plan to visit India anytime soon. Do I still have to link my Aadhaar and PAN? Well, the simple answer is no. But if you do have a PAN and Aadhaar, it is safer to link the same because you may not know, it may be coming of good use in the future. But otherwise, if you don't have an Aadhaar PAN, there's no compulsion for you to link. And if you do have an Aadhaar PAN, then I would recommend to you to go forward and link the same. Well, the important question here is that, okay, I've missed the due date by one day, 30th June. I forgot to link my Aadhaar and PAN. What do I do now? What are the consequences? Well, let me tell you, the impact of the consequences could be quite catastrophic in the sense that, like I mentioned before, your PAN will become inoperational. Once your PAN becomes invalid or inoperational, then you can go ahead and file your income tax return. But the fact is that the income tax department will not process your return. And once they do not process your return, even if you have a refund claim, that is, you would have paid some taxes in advance or previously, and now with the income tax return, you're putting out a refund claim. The IT department will not give you a refund because they are not able to process your ITR because you have not linked your Aadhaar PAN or your PAN has become invalid. One more consequence would be the fact that you may be a professional, a lawyer, or a doctor. You may be a landlord receiving rent payments from your tenants. So, in respect of professional payments or rent payments, they normally deduct a particular amount and then make you the remaining payment, and that amount is called TDS. Well, if you have not linked your Aadhaar PAN or your PAN has become inoperational, then the amount of TDS could almost be doubled, and therefore you could end up losing money if you have not linked your Aadhaar PAN. So these are the consequences, and your correspondence with the income tax department will be quite difficult if you don't link your Aadhaar and PAN. Well, in my personal opinion, I think this is definitely a great smart move by the government. The initial due date of Aadhaar PAN linking was 31st of March, and then they extended this by 3 more months to 30th of June by levying a double fee of rupees 1000. Now, the government is always trying to get revenue in terms of taxes from you, and extending this by 3 months and levying a fee of rupees 1000 for every Aadhaar PAN application linking application will, if not a substantial, would definitely be a great source of revenue for the government. And therefore, I think that this particular date of 30th June could be further extended by 10-15 days to say 15th of July because A, you'll have folks waking up on 1st July and thinking to link Aadhaar PAN because by the end of the month you have to go and file your income tax return. And B, 10-15 days and levying a double fee, let's say rupees 2000 could even be a good amount of money in terms of revenue for the government. I hope I was able to make things clear through this particular video. If you do like these kind of videos, do show your support to us by hitting the like button. If you want to get these shorter videos, these short videos on a regular basis by way of notifications, then also show your support to us by hitting the subscribe button. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you.